Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Whenever I am asked about when I have realized that I have a vocation to the priesthood, I would always go back to my experience as an altar server. I became an altar server in my hometown in Bulacan when I was in grade 5. And there I was initiated to the life of the church. Halos every day, ako po ay nasa simbahan. Pati weekend, nasa simbahan na din ako. I don't know, but I always loved the feeling of being in the church. One time, while I was serving at a weekday mass, I just realized that I really love what I am doing. Gusto ko yung ginagawa ko. Mahal ko yung ginagawa ko. At hindi po ba kung mahal natin ang isang bagay, palagi natin iyong gagawin. Gusto ko palaging mag-serve sa misa. And that's why I entered high school seminary. Kasi everyday daw may misa doon. At sa wakas, makakaserve pa rin ako everyday. Magagawa ko ang bagay na mahal ko. And the rest was history. My dear friends, Jesus tells us in our gospel today, whoever loves me will keep my word, and my Father will love him. At hindi po ba ganoon naman talaga? Whenever we love someone, we put our trust on that person. No matter how absurd, no matter how difficult, and no matter how complicated. Kaya po minsan, akala natin, love is blind. But I think it's because a lover always puts his or her trust in the beloved. It's the trust, it's the faith, and it's the assurance that love can wish no harm to another person. Sinasabi po sa atin ni Jesus sa mabuting balita ngayon, kung mahal niyo ang Diyos, susundin niyo ang kanyang utos. Hindi puro salita lang, hindi puro dasal lang, hindi puro papikit-pikit lang. Sabi po ni Saint Ignatius of Loyola, love is shown more in deeds than in words. Dear friends, love is not simply about how we feel inside or what our good intentions are towards another person. Opo, kasama po yan. But more than those, it is what we do in action to demonstrate that love. And with God, it is about keeping His commandments and following Him sincerely with all our hearts. And you know, this is our assurance as written in our gospel. Whoever loves me or whoever obeys me will be loved by my Father, and I will love him and reveal myself to him. Amen.